Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve chapter 2 fractions and decimal from NTG IM Olympiad workbook 21-22 for class 7. Today we will solve first 15 question and remaining question we will complete in next video. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with section 1 mathematical reasoning question number 1. Find the values of P and Q if the sum of numbers in each row and in each column is same. So here according to the question, the sum of row 1, row 2 and row 3 is same. So we first find out the sum of row 1. So here 7 into 10 is 70, 70 plus 3 is 73, 73 by 10. Plus here 1 into 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 3 by 2 plus 4 by 5. So here their denominator are not equal, so we cannot directly add, we have to make them same. So for that we first find out the LCM. Now LCM of 10, 2 and 5 is 10. So here we multiply by 1, here by 5 and here by 2. So 73 into 1 is 73 and 10 into 1 is 10. 3 into 5 is 15 and 2 into 5 is 10 and 4 into 2 is 8. And now their sum is 73 plus 15 plus 8, 96 by 10. Here 2 5s are 10 and here 2 4s are 8, 1 remaining and 2 8s are 16. So it gives 48 by 5. Now we have the sum of first row which is equal to 48 by 5. Now using this value we find out the value of P. Now we do the addition of second row. So here 3 by 5 plus P plus 3 7 by 10 is equal to 48 by 5. So here P is equal to 48 by 5. Now this 3 by 5 become minus this side and this 3 7 by 10 also become minus this side. So here P is equal to, now here denominator are same, so we can directly subtract. 48 minus 3 is 45 minus here 3 into 10 is 30, 30 plus 7, 37 by. Now here the denominator are different, so we make them same by finding the LCM. LCM is 10. So here we multiply by 2 and here by 1. 45 into 2 is 90 and their denominator is 10. And 37 into 1 is 37, means 90 minus 37 is 53. So we convert it into mixed fraction, which gives 5 into 10 is 50, 50 plus 3 is 53. So here P is equal to 5 3 by 10. Now here value of P is 5 3 by 10. Now we find out the value of Q. Their sum is 48 by 5. Here 1 into 10 is 10, 10 plus 7 17 by 10 plus here 2 into 5 is 10, 10 plus 4 14 by 5 plus Q 48 by 5. Now here Q is equal to 48 by 5. Here this will become minus here, minus 17 by 10 and this also become minus this side, 14 by 5. So now their denominator now are different. So here we multiply by 2, here by 1 and here by 2. So Q is equal to 48 into 2 is 96, 17 into 1 is 17 and 14 into 2 is 28 and by 10. So here 96 minus 17 is 74, minus 28 is 51, 51 by 10. So we convert into mixed fraction, means 10 into 5 is 50 and 1 is 51. Q is equal to 5, 1 by 10. Now here Q is equal to 5, 1 by 10. So B is correct answer. The value of this is equal to what? Now here first bracket gives 1 by 2. Second bracket gives 2 by 3. Now this will give 3 by 4. And so on, means next bracket will give 4 by 5. Then 5 by 6. Then 6 by 7. Then 7 by 8. Then 8 by 9. And then 9 by 10. Now here this 2 will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, this get cancelled, then this, then this, then this, then this. Then remaining what? 1 by 10. So here answer is 1 by 10. So C is correct answer. Question number 3. The vulgar fraction of 0.231 can be expressed as. So here there is 3 figure after point. So it is expressed as 231 by 1000. So C is correct answer. Question number 4. Product of two fractions is 15 by 98. If one fraction is 5 by 14, then find the other fraction. So here given the product of two fraction is 15 by 98 and one fraction is 5 by 14. We will take the other fraction as x, means x into 5 by 14 is equal to 15 by 98. So x is equal to 15 by 98. We take reciprocal of 5 by 14 this side, means 14 by 5. So here 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 14 ones are 14, 14 sevens are 98, means answer is 3 by 7. So other fraction is 3 by 7. A is correct answer. Question number 5. What fraction of given figure is shaded? Now here in given figure there are 4 different shapes. So this one second, this one third, and this one fourth. In each shape there are total equal 8 parts, and out of 8, 3 parts are shaded. In last figure this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and out of 8 this 1, 2 and 3 parts are shaded. So here B is correct answer. Question number 6. How many more unit square in the figure must be shaded so that the fraction of shaded square is 7 by 9? So in the given figure here total number of squares are 18 and out of 18 6 squares are shaded. So to make the shaded fraction equal to 7 by 9, we take the total number of shaded square as x. So here 9 into 2 is 18. So we multiply here by 2. So 2 into 7 is 14. So x is 14. Means total number of shaded squares are 14. And out of 14 here in the given figure 6 are shaded. So remaining 8 must be shaded to make the fraction equal to 7 by 9. So here D is correct answer. Question number 7. Which of the following options is represented by the given figure? Here in given figure there are, in first figure there are total 8 parts, and out of 8 2 parts are shaded. Here also same, total 8 part, out of 8 2 parts are shaded. Here also 8 part, out of 8 2 parts are shaded, and this also 8 part, out of 8 2 parts are shaded, and is equal to, out of 8 part are shaded, means is equal to 1. So here 4 times 2 by 8 is equal to 1. So here C is correct answer. Question number 8. Find the value of P if 46.92 minus 89.34 minus P is equal to 148.76 minus 382.79. Here P having negative sign, so we take P this side, so it will become plus P, and then we take this side, it will become minus, and this will become plus this side. So equation will be this side P plus P, and this side 46.92 minus 89.34. now this become minus 148.76 plus 382.79. now positive sign we take first. 46.92 plus 382.79 will give 429.71 minus this minus 184.76 is equal to P. So this will give 340.37 minus 148.76 is equal to P. So P is equal to, this will give 191.61. So P is equal to 191.61. D is correct answer. Question number 9. Which of the following will make the given expression true? Here we first solve left hand side and then right hand side. Here our left hand side is, so we first solve bracket. Here first bracket, their denominator are different, so we first make them same by multiplying here by 2. So here 7 into 2 is 14, 14 minus 2, and denominator is 6, minus 1 by 2 plus, now here 4 by 5, here we take the reciprocal 8 by 6, so 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 plus 3 by 4. So here 14 minus 2 is 12, 12 by 6 minus 1 by 2, here plus 2 into 8 is 16 and 5 into 3 is 15 plus 3 by 4. So now here we find out the LCM of 6, 2, 15 and 4. LCM is 60. So here we multiply by 10, here by 30, here by 4 and here by 15. So 12 into 10 is 120, minus 1 into 30 is 30, plus 16 into 4 is 64, plus 3 into 15 is 45 by 60. So it will give 199 by 60. So our left hand side is 199 by 60. Now we solve the right hand side. Our right hand side is this. So here we first solve the bracket. Here denominator are different, so we make them same by here multiplying by 2 and here by 3 and here by 2. So 4 by 5 divided by, here denominator will be 8 and 6 plus 6, and here the denominator will be 12 and here 3 3s are 9 plus 5 2s are 10. Here 3 into 3 is 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 3. Now 4 by 5, here 12 by 8. So we take the reciprocal 8 by 12 minus 9 plus 10 is 19 by 12 plus 10 by 3. So here 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 8 1s are 8 and here 5 3s are 15 minus 19 by 12 plus 10 by 3. Now we make their denominator same by finding LCM. LCM is 60. So here we multiply by 4. here by 5 and here by 20. So 8 into 4 is 32, minus 90 into 5 is 95, plus 10 into 12 is 200 by 60. So our answer is here 137 by 60. So here right hand side is 137 by 60. Now here our left hand side is 199 by 60 and right hand side is 137 by 60. So 199 is greater than 137. So here A is correct. Question number 10, simplify this. So here we first solve this. 1.86 divided by 0.3 is 6.2. Minus 1 by 6 of means into 19.3 minus 14.5 is equal to 4.8. Plus 0.3 into 6.8 gives 2.04. Now 6.2 minus, here 6 ones are 6 and 6 8s are 48 and 1 point means 0.8 means 0.8 plus 2.04. So it is equal to 6.2 plus 2.04 is 8.24 minus 0.8 is equal to 7.44. So here A is correct answer. Question number 11, evaluate this. So here we first convert this mixed fractions. So 2 into 4 is 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 by 4 minus 4 into 6 is 24, 24 plus 7 31. So 31 by 6 plus 3 into 3 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 3. 0.087 plus, here we first do this division, 0.3717 divided by 0.9 gives 0.413. Now this 0.087 plus 0.413 gives 0.5, and here we need to first find out the LCM of 4, 6 and 3, which is 12. We multiply by 3, here by 2 and here by 4. 13 into 3 is 39. 31 into 2 is 62 and 10 into 4 is 40. Divided by LCM is 12. 39 minus 62 plus 40 is 17. 17 by 12 by 0.5. This means 17 by 12 into 1 by 0.5. So 12 into 0.5 is 60 and 1 point means 6. So 17 by 6. Now we convert this into mixed fraction. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 5 17. So here A is correct answer. Question number 12. The value of fraction dash if denominator of fraction is increased while numerator is kept same. Suppose we take the fraction 1 by 2 and this give value 0.5. Now we keep numerator same and we increase denominator by 1. So fraction is 1 by 3 and which gives value 0.3. Now we increase the denominator, then value of fraction gives 0.2. Means the value of fraction is decreases. So here B is correct answer. Question number 13, simplify this. So here we do first multiplication. 0.2 into 0.2 is 0.04 plus 0.01 divided by Now 0.1 into 0.1 is 0.01 plus 0.02. Now here this addition gives 0.05 by 0.03. So answer is 5 by 3. So here A is correct. Question number 14. When 40,257 is divided by 213, the quotient is 189. What will be the quotient when 40.257 is divided by 0.0189? Here according to the question, 40,257 is divided by 213 gives 189. So suppose 40,257 is divided by 189, then answer will be 213. And here we have to find out the value of 40.257 divided by 0.0189. This means 40,257 divided by 1000 and 189 divided by 10,000. So here 40,257 divided by 1000. Here we take reciprocal, so 10,000 divided by 189. This 30 get cancel. Means for this here we multiply by 10. So both side we multiply by 10. So our answer is here 2130. So here D is correct answer. Question number 15. Which of the following is not equal to 24.675 into 3.489 into 0.735? So here in answer the point should be before here 3, here 3 and here 3, 9 digit. Means the after point there should be 9 digits. So in option A, this 1, this 2 means 3 and this 6. So this is equal. Here this 5 and this 4, 9. So here also decimal is before 9 digit. Here this 5 and 4. Here also it is equal. In option D, this 4 and this 3, 7 and this 8. So this answer is not equal to the given answer. So here D is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.